My crafty friends, how's everyone doing today? Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my craft room. I'm here to demonstrate some of these really nice craft supplies I picked up from beebeecraft.com. And if you are interested in any of these, the links will be below, as well as a link to the website and a coupon code for you to get 10% off your order. So yeah, I picked up some really different things than I've ever picked up before. Excuse my voice, I'm recovering from a little something, a little something I got this week. But I might sound a little horrible, but I'm actually fine. Just got a little something in my head or something. I never had a sore throat or anything. Just whatever it was, it kind of makes you tired. And I was down and out for one day, and then I was back to work. So I don't know, a little lingering something in my head here, but I am fine. But anyway, so I wanted to show you these products on this journal that I've finished, because there's little flowers and things on here. So I thought if I added a couple, see little flowers here? They're so cute among the little puppies. There's a thread. But yeah, I just thought it would be cute to add a little bit of some of these to this journal. So I pictured using these like this. So like here's a sunflower. And I'm going to make a sunflower journal. That's why I picked out these things. But right now I haven't started that yet. But I want to go ahead and show you how I'm going to use these particular things. So I have some bulb pins here. You know, the ones like this. These are colored ones. And I can just take this and go right here like this. These particular sunflowers here, they're like a little pendant. They're resin, and they have a little loop right here. So, oops, where did it go? Let me grab another one real quick. It's here, I'll find it in a second, but so just put your little bulb pin through there, and then you can clip it anywhere. So I could hang this right here, and wouldn't that be cute? I'm not going to hang it right now because I want to open this up and show you how I would use some of these. So let's see. The other things that I got besides these sunflowers that are like sunflower pendants are these little, they're like mini cabachons with a little clasp on them. And let me just grab one out randomly. So these have a little hook on them already. So really you could hang these on a paper clip or anything. So let me grab a paper clip actually. And here's my little paper clip bag. And just a random color, it doesn't matter what color it is. And see how this looks hanging on a, I think this is going to be so cute. I already got something hanging on this little tab here. Let's go over a couple pages. Maybe right about here would be good, yes. Okay, so I can just take this and go like this, okay. Let's get it to the other end where it's going to be hanging off the page. So go around like that. Oh, what am I doing? I keep pulling it off. Let's see. Yeah, here we go. There we go. That's what I want. So it's hanging off here, as you can see. And then I can just clip it on a page. This is an envelope, actually. But I can clip it right there and have a hanging little decoration for my journal. I can hang it anywhere, anywhere up and down this page. But see, then you have a little junk journal jewelry there hanging. Isn't that cute? Off the side. I think these are so adorable. And you get that, all of that, and you get all of these, a lot of them, all ready to go. So that's like a no-brainer right there. You know, it's ready to go for you. So I'm going to leave that there. It'll come with this journal. And then the other thing I got, let me just show you these. I showed you these in my unboxing, but so cute. I love all the little flower patterns on these. So pretty. I would definitely get these again. Nice and sturdy, good quality. And Beebeecraft has all kinds of specials all the time too. So you can go back again and again and always get a deal, really. Okay, so these are stitch markers. I've been looking at these for a while and, you know, threatening to buy them. Let me grab another paper. Oh, let's see. Let me grab another paper clip. So you can attach them with anything. But these have a little loop on here that is open right here. It opens like an earring. It reminds me of an earring. See that? You could probably wear them as earrings if you wanted to. I don't know if that would hurt your ear though, probably. But really, really cute. So anyway, what I thought I would do is just hang them from something. A bulb pin, a paper clip, whatever. And let me get this on here. Let me open it up. That would be easier, wouldn't it? Let's see. So it would be hanging down on this end if I hang it from the top. See that? So cute. Adorable. Let's go back a little bit here and hang it from somewhere. Another page back here. Let's just hang it right here. And there you go. Let's see, I need to turn it around. There we go. Let me see. Let me turn it around real quick. So I can easily turn it around by undoing it. And since it's like an earring, just open it and close it again. There we go. Now it's facing the front. And we have a little flower hanging from that page. A little decoration. And of course the person who guesses will be able to move it around and do whatever they want with it. So adorable, right? A little flower. And it just reminded me of the flowers that are on the front of here. See that one? Right there. So cute. So, is that everything I got? Let me tie this back and I'll show you the little sunflower now that I've put a couple things in there. But really, you can just add these to any journal and take a peek, see what else they have. If you've never been on Beebeecraft, you know, I've been doing this for a while, so and Beebeecraft has been, you know, having YouTubers demonstrate for them for a while, so you may have been there before and you know what they have. But if you don't, if you haven't been there before and just checked it out, they have hundreds of items, not just beads, you know, hundreds of items that I've gotten from Beebeecraft. In fact, I will link my Beebeecraft playlist below, and then you can see all the different things that I've picked up from Beebeecraft. So let me just see how I can put this on here. I'm going to put it like right here. Let's see, I want to put it somewhere where it can still untie. Let me put it over here. This way it can still untie and not be in the way. Okay, about right there would be good. Now we have a little something hanging from the tie closure right here. Isn't that adorable? So we added like 3 charms, just like that, easy as that, you know, quick and easy. If you're someone that doesn't have a lot of time like me, these little things save you time and you get something really super cute to add to your journals. So thanks for watching today. I hope you enjoyed those. I will have one more demonstration from this unboxing of things that I have picked up at Beebeecraft and show you what I'm going to do with the rest of the things that I got this time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day.